Do you know that small financial mistakes can cost you thousands of dollars over time? It's easy to think that these mistakes are just minor slip-ups, but when you add them up, they can significantly affect your wealth. Imagine if you could avoid these pitfalls. What would your financial future look like? In today's video, we're going to explore the top 8 financial mistakes that cost you thousands over time, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting out in your financial journey or looking to improve your money habits, this video will help you build a stronger, more secure financial future. 1. Succumbing to lifestyle creep. Let's kick things off with lifestyle creep, one of the most common and sneaky financial mistakes. This happens when your spending increases right along with your income. It's easy to fall in the trap after getting a raise or a bonus. Suddenly, you feel like you deserve a bigger apartment or a luxury car. But what you might not realize is that these upgrades can derail your financial growth over time. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle immediately after an income boost, think about investing that extra income into your future. Economists often suggest setting aside this money into savings or investments, preparing you for any unexpected economic changes or opportunities that might arise. By not increasing your spending, you allow your savings to grow faster. This simple shift in mindset can save you thousands in unnecessary expenses and put you in a much better position to accumulate wealth over time. 2. Neglecting emergency preparedness. Another mistake that can be incredibly costly is neglecting emergency preparedness. We all like to think that bad things won't happen to us, but the reality is that unexpected events, like job loss, medical bills, or a major home repair, can occur at any time. Without a dedicated emergency fund, you may find yourself relying on high-interest credit cards or loans to cover these emergencies, which only adds to your financial strain. Financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses saved in an emergency fund. This buffer will give you peace of mind, knowing that you can handle the unexpected without derailing your financial plan. If you don't have this safety net, it's important to start building one as soon as possible, even if it's a small amount each month. Over time, this will be one of your best defenses against financial setbacks and can save you thousands in avoidable debt. 3. Delaying retirement contributions. Delaying retirement contributions is another mistake that's easy to make, especially when retirement feels like it's so far off. But here's the thing, delaying your contributions, even by just a few years, can cost you significantly due to the power of compound interest. The earlier you start contributing to your retirement savings, the more time your money has to grow. What's worse is that many people fail to take full advantage of employer matches in 401k plans. This is essentially free money that you're walking away from if you don't contribute enough to receive the match. If you're not already contributing to your 401k, or if you're not taking full advantage of the employer match, you're missing out on a significant opportunity to build wealth. In the long run, contributing early and often to your retirement plan is one of the best ways to ensure you're financially secure later in life. 4. Carrying high-interest debt. Carrying high-interest debt is another financial mistake that can really add up over time. While credit cards and loans can be useful tools, relying on them for day-to-day purchases can be financially destructive. If you're only making minimum payments on your credit cards, the interest quickly adds up, and what seemed like a small debt turns into something much larger. The problem with high-interest debt is that it limits your financial flexibility and stops you from making progress in your savings and investments. If you're in this situation, the best thing you can do is focus on paying off that high-interest debt as quickly as possible. The sooner you get rid of it, the less money you'll spend on interest, and the more you'll be able to save and invest. This approach will help you take control of your finances and free up money to use for wealth building rather than paying off debt. 5. Trying to outsmart the market. Many people make the mistake of trying to outsmart the market by timing it, buying and selling based on short-term market fluctuations. The problem with this approach is that it's nearly impossible to predict market movements accurately, and more often than not, it leads to buying high and selling low. The best way to invest in the market is with a long-term perspective and a strategy called dollar cost averaging. This means regularly investing a fixed amount of money into your investments, regardless of what the market is doing. Over time, this approach smooths out the highs and lows, and you're more likely to see positive returns. Millionaires don't try to outsmart the market. They stay consistent, avoid knee-jerk reactions, and focus on long-term goals. This approach can save you thousands by reducing the impact of emotional decision-making and market volatility. 6. Buying too much house. Buying a home that's too expensive is another mistake that many people make, and it's one that can severely limit your ability to build wealth in the future. Just because you're approved for a large mortgage doesn't mean you should max out your budget. Many people buy homes based on the maximum mortgage amount they're approved for, rather than considering their actual needs and financial situation. Buying a home that stretches your budget can leave you with little room to invest in other assets, like stocks, bonds, or retirement accounts. It also creates a financial strain every month, as your mortgage becomes a larger portion of your expenses. Instead, focus on buying a home that fits comfortably within your budget, leaving room for other investments and savings. This will allow you to build wealth in other areas of your life while enjoying the stability and security of homeownership. 7. Ignoring the impact of inflation. Another costly mistake is ignoring the impact of inflation. Many people think of inflation as a temporary inconvenience, but in reality, it's a structural issue that reduces the value of your money over time. The more inflation increases, the less your money is worth in the future. If you're simply holding on to cash or not factoring inflation into your financial plan, you're losing purchasing power and missing out on opportunities to protect and grow your wealth. To protect yourself from inflation, it's important to invest in assets that appreciate over time, like stocks, real estate, or other investments. These assets tend to outpace inflation and can help your money grow rather than losing value. By factoring inflation into your financial planning, you'll ensure that your savings and investments retain their value and continue to work for you over the long term. 8. Operating without a clear financial plan. Finally, one of the biggest mistakes you can make is operating without a clear financial plan. Without defined goals, it's easy to fall into the trap of convenient spending, buying things because they're right in front of you or because it feels good in the moment. A lack of planning leads to aimless financial decisions and missed opportunities to build wealth. A clear financial plan helps you stay on track and adjust as needed. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or building an emergency fund, having specific financial goals gives you a roadmap to follow. By regularly reviewing your plan and adjusting it as your circumstances change, you'll stay focused and motivated. Operating without a plan is like trying to navigate a road trip without a map. You might get somewhere, but it'll be a lot harder, and you'll likely miss out on key opportunities. There you have it. 8 financial mistakes that can cost you thousands over time. These mistakes might seem small, but when you add them up, they can seriously impact your financial future. By avoiding lifestyle creep, preparing for emergencies, saving consistently for retirement, avoiding high-interest debt, staying disciplined with your investments, and having a clear financial plan, you'll be able to avoid these costly pitfalls and set yourself up for long-term success. Remember, financial freedom is about making smart, informed decisions over time. Start implementing these strategies today, and you'll be on your way to a more secure, prosperous future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances and building wealth. Let me know in the comments which financial mistake you've made in the past and how you're going to avoid it in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.